was born to be free.
Give it to the chorus. Come here, girl. Go heavy, go. Come to the back. Go heavy, go. VIP. Go heavy, go. Drinks on me. Go heavy, go. What you working with? Go heavy, go. With those hips. Go heavy, go. Make me smile. Go heavy, go. Go ahead, child. Just sexy out. 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 Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
We're done. Guys, y'all know I'm extra, man. Hold on, let me mute this. Right now, mic check, guys. Let me get those pickles in the chat right now. If y'all can hear me, we are absolutely dumping, and we gotta talk about it, man. Oh my days, boys! What just happened? What just happened? Am I live right now? What do you mean, Geo late? Am I live? Don't tell me I'm not live. Don't tell me I just did all that and I'm not live right now. I'm live right now, right? Can y'all see me? Hello? Can y'all? I hope y'all can see me, man. I sound... Oh, there we go. Hold on. I should sound way better now. I should sound good now. You need me. Okay, am I good? Tell me if I'm good right now. Okay, how about now? Are we good? We should be chilling now. We should be good. Tell me that we're good. Should be okay, I'm gonna keep... I need to test it, bro. Y'all need to tell me how we're looking. Yo, this is crazy, guys. Today is actually insane. Girl. Okay, am I live? Are we good? Am I live? Are we good? Can you guys let me know? This is crazy, man. We're having mic issues. Everything is dumping. Hello, mic check now. Are we good now? Please tell me we're good now. Please tell me we're good now. Does the mic sound good? Is it high quality? Or do I just gotta call this stream a stream already and just, you know, not even do anything? Not even talk about BTC. I'm frozen, but I'm back. But am I good? Is the sound good? Are we chilling again? This is very important, guys. I'm not gonna waste my breath if y'all can't even hear me. I need to see. Are we good? Man, this delay is killing me. This delay is... okay, we're good. You guys can hear me now? Alright, cool. Okay, what the fuck just happened to Bitcoin? We're gonna talk about it. Okay, we're gonna talk about it. But before we do that, big shout out to Cipher, the sponsor of the channel. All right, guys, we're gonna get right into it. First of all, hello everybody. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are good. Okay, today was kind of a crazy day, and I'm gonna be the very first to admit, I did not in the slightest expect this much of a move to the downside. No shot. You guys know I've been talking about the all-time high. What's up, Sigma Pill? I've been talking about the all-time high. Now, this is a very big move. And this is like, hello. We can, this is manipulation at its finest, man. Like, if we were going to actually make it to the all-time high, this is the kind of shakeout that we need. We know we got to follow the money. We know that whenever you got a red vector candle, you got to look to the left and say that this vector candle can get recovered. I had no idea that we were going to come this low, this hard, this fast. No clue. No clue at all. And, guys, I'll have some... I made a mistake last night, and I lost a lot of money today. Because I had a one-on-one session, and I was demonstrating, and I had a limit order way low that I apparently didn't cancel. So I lost a few dollars today. But that's okay. I'm not short on the market. And we're going to talk about what the heck happened here. Because, man, that shit's crazy. Alex O Crypto, thank you very much for the donation, my brother. Says, woo, 12K. Yo, bro, I told you. 24418, man. That is the exact low. It's coming. It is coming. Shout out to Chief Wiggy. Shout out to Dak. What's up, brother? Mr. White is in the chat. Bitcoin Bear is in the chat. Sky is in the chat. We're all good now. The sound check is good. We're getting the pickles in the chat. We're all chilling. Is there any news? I have absolutely no idea. Mike, check. Yeah, Grams is here. What's up, Mike? How you doing? Steven Stewart, Herms, Sigma, One Nature, Ramiro, Joey Ring. Did you guys like the intro, the thriller? Man, listen, the market looks spooky today. I tweeted earlier. Yo, oh my gosh. This is crazy. Cardano is just... This is insane. All right, guys, we're going to talk about it, man. We got to talk about it. I did not expect to move like this. Okay, what the absolute hell just happened? Look, I say this all the time on my channel, guys. If you're new here, first of all, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Joe, and every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does, and I build a narrative for you as I'm about to do right now in real time. I gotta lower this music in my ear because it is super, super loud for me. All right, guys, what the hell happened? Listen, I'm not gonna lie. These highs are ugly as hell. And you know what? I was looking for shorts up here, but I was looking for shorts up at this green line, and we never actually took the high. If we zoom in here, we never took this high. Okay, we made a high, and this high. We made an ugly high. We chilled up here for so long, and then we never took it. So I had alerts at the high, just barely missed it, which sucks because I'm not short, and I had no idea that this move was going to be this violent, we'll call it. Okay, this invasive, we'll call it. So what happened? Why did this happen? Well, listen, if you've been following the channel, you know that I've been talking about all-time high. I've been talking about how we have ugly highs at the highs as well, and how market cipher on the daily time frame prior to this red dot now looks like it wants higher, right? You guys know the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, and so absolutely it is possible that we make our way up to the high because we have thick money flow, but we did not get any divergences here at the highs. Yes, we have divergences across the board. Yes, we do. However, locally, we didn't have any divergences, so we were looking to expecting rather, to take the highs, okay? Doesn't mean we can't continue to take the highs, not in the slightest. We absolutely can. And we're going to talk about where we could potentially bounce from. Shouts out to all of my Market Cipher friendos here that are live right now, along with me. I want to go over this. So I made this video, right? We had a CPI fake out, whatever. I made a YouTube video the other day, not a stream, talking about the all-time high and talking about how it's not actually a good high and a good, rather a bullish move if we took the high. Now, I was looking for a massive dump, as I mentioned, and it's kind of unfortunate that we're getting it now because this actually allows us taking the all-time high to be a little bit more bullish than it does bearish, okay? We obviously have this last, what I will call this last liquidity sweep, right, prior to making the all-time high, wherever it may be, whether we take the range low, we don't know yet. We're going to talk about it today, wherever we may bounce from. However, we were talking about in that video how we had nice liquidity that we could make a run for, and if we were to take the all-time high, I will absolutely be looking to giga short it here. Unfortunately, we didn't take the high. Unfortunately, we're not short at all, not even at all. I am currently in 0 positions, okay, 0 notable positions anyways, and I got a little bit rinsed today. I'm not going to sit here and say that I didn't. However, it's fine. We move on. So what happened? Well, this was essentially just a liquidity grab. Obviously, we can see that. And you know, what do we really bounce off of? Let's dive in a little bit lower. Now, we had a lot of zones that we could bounce from, okay? And if we were going to respect structure, which we clearly did not, if we were going to respect structure, then we had a bunch of zones that we were looking to bounce from. And I was giving these zones in my VIP section today earlier, okay? So when we were coming down, I mean, I gave a lot of updates. I gave a lot of zones. We had a few zones here. And I mentioned that we needed to be looking for structure changes, okay? And this is why, guys, catching the knife is a very dangerous game, okay? Catching the knife is a horrendously dangerous game because of reasons like this. You don't know how deep the knife is gonna stab you if you try to catch the knife. And I want to bring your attention to this one thing right now, because what's catching my eye right now is Cardano, because Cardano is down 20%. And I want to remind you, I say this all the time, and I get shit for it literally all the time. Guys, if the market continues to dump, Cardano is a perfect example right now, okay? Cardano is an absolute perfect example. If Bitcoin continues to dump, Bitcoin's only down 5%, and Cardano is down 20%. If Bitcoin continues to dump to 53K, to 44K, to these lower levels that we've been talking about for a very long time, and remember, I actually believe that we will see a 30K Bitcoin again prior to having our very large move to the upside. If Bitcoin continues to shit the bed the way that it is doing, your altcoins can absolutely make new lows. They can. Don't tell me they cannot. Cardano's already down 44%. Whether it's because of news, whether it's because of functionality. Big Time is down 30%. Philcoin is down 23%. Trib or Turb is down 27%. Storage 20%. Guys, the market is overextended. Whether you want to hear it or not, whether you want to click off or not, this is not even a pullback yet, okay? Now, we're not going to sit here and say we're not going to come to the all-time high because market Cipher is still suggesting that we're going to come to the all-time high. And if we don't, no problem. We will get in other trades. Absolutely zero problems. I have no problems with that. However, we need to understand that you can't go up forever. Nothing is ever going to go up forever. It is not practical. And now, after you see a move like this, which is only a 5% move to the downside, okay, these are the times where you're going to stop and think and say, okay, well, you know, I mean, maybe this Geo guy's right and that it can't go up forever, because people seem to think, oh, we're never going to see 60K again. Guys, we're going to see 60K again. We are going to see 50, 53K. I can almost guarantee you that we're going to come down to this area, okay? Doesn't mean that we have to shoot straight down right now. We're going to be trading the range as we do. But yes, we can absolutely continue a dump here. Now, is it a crash? Would I call it a crash? Probably not, because, you know, I've been saying we have like in general a bullish bias right now. We're going to go through structure and all that, but just based on market Cipher alone, on the daily time frame, it is suggesting that we're going to come higher. And I want to bring your attention to these more midterm time frames like the 4 hour and the 1 hour, okay? We always preach about following the money on this channel, okay? I always preach about following the money. And we take smart money approaches to things. We do not always, like, I don't trade fibs and all that. And all you need really is to know where the market makers reside. And right now the market makers are within this move. Market makers are limit longing on this entire move to the downside, okay? And we can see that indicated by our vector candles here. And not only that, but what is the number one rule when it comes to market Cipher B that I always say? Well, the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. But the second number one rule that we have is whenever you have a green dot, you got to look to the left and say that those vector candles can get recovered. What do we see right now? On the 4 hour time frame, we have a nice red dot with vector candles that we can absolutely come and recover. Now, there is no such thing as 2 red dots in a row, which means no matter what, your next 4 hour dot is going to be a green dot, which means we got to look to the left and say that these vector candles can get recovered. How low do we go before they get recovered? That I cannot answer for you. I am not a magician, okay? But I will tell you this. Whenever you see range-based vectors, you got to always assume that they're going to get recovered. We saw that down here when we had a red vector, came up and got recovered. Green vector up, red vectors down, recovered. Red vectors down, recovered. Green up, red vector down, recovered. Recovered, recovered, recovered. And so this is no different. Yes, we could come lower. Yes, we could sweep this low. At this point, it's probably looking like, hey, like, I mean, I wouldn't be super surprised if we make it down here. But we can absolutely start sweeping these lows. Unfortunately, we're sweeping them prior to taking the high. Remember, I was saying that these highs are not looking so good. We had a lot of resistance up here, and we've been getting these decent pullbacks. However, we're not getting that follow through. Why are we not getting the follow through? Because really, guys, the TA hasn't been TAing lately. Yes, it has. We scalp in and out, and all is well, all is dandy. Fine. However, we know that we are very much so up here, driven based on the ETF news, and now based on the Halving news, which is apparently in like a week or something. I don't know. I just work here. I am not a newspaper. I don't know. But I will tell you this. It is our job to follow the vectors. And when I talk about having green money flow like this, right? And then I say, oh, I want a retracement. I want a retracement. And then people are like, oh, Gio, you have green money flow. And I talk about these vectors that come out of seemingly nowhere. This is exactly what I'm talking about. These vector candles right here came out of seemingly nowhere. And whenever you have this, especially with green money flow, this is the green dot that is going to give you that recovery. Okay, so when I was like bearish at 38K and people are like, oh, it's bullish, this is what I was talking about. I wanted to see red vectors to the downside while we have green money flow, so that whenever we have the green dot, we look to the left and say that this vector can get recovered. Now, what's likely? After we have a large move especially, it is very likely that we start to range. So should you be jumping in longs trying to catch the knife right now? Even though I'm doing it? No, you definitely shouldn't, because it is a recipe for disaster, okay? I tried to long a couple times today. I got stopped out. And more importantly than that, like I said in the beginning of the stream, I accidentally had a limit long open because I was doing a lesson and I didn't close the limit long. I was teaching, and I didn't even know that it was open. I didn't get the notification. I got absolutely rinsed today. Okay, no problem. We're gonna live and learn. We're gonna continue on, keep on keeping on. Okay, so we got no problem, but we got to talk about where we could potentially go, what potentially the next move is. Is it possible that Bitcoin comes down and takes these lows? Because hello, I mean, yes, it is very possible that we do that. And why it is important to be objective and not say no matter what price is going to go up, no matter what price is going to go down, because realistically, we need to know that nothing goes up forever. We can't be liberals, okay? Leave the liberals for the pink-haired people, okay, that want to say that Biden is good and everything else. No, we're going to be objective. We're going to say, look, we are very well overextended on these higher term time frames, and absolutely we can continue to rinse down. Now, where can we bounce from? First things first, we are in a macro range, guys, and if you're following the macro range, I mean, it's not anything that's too concerning because we're just in the range. And we know, in general, when you're at the highs of the range, you should be looking to short. So you really shouldn't have been looking to short here, at least swing short, or you shouldn't have been looking to long here, at least swing longs. You know, you can scalp, obviously. But whenever you're at the highs of the range, you should be looking to short. Whenever you're at the lows of the range, you should be looking to long. Well, where are we now? Now we are in the discount section of the range. So we should be looking for longs. We should definitely not be looking for shorts now after a crazy move like that. Once again, unless you are scalping. But we should be looking for longs. And I want to talk about what happened here. Why did we come down so low? And, you know, what can we expect? Like, this is a waterfall, you know? Should you be trying to catch the knife on a waterfall? Absolutely not. So we're going to talk about why we came this low, what I think might happen next, and how can we get into a trade here, okay? So, by the way, guys, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Gio, and every single day I build a narrative for you guys. And hit the like button for me. Do me a solid, hit the like button for me, because every 100 likes every 100 likes I get on stream, I give away one of my boot camps. I have 4 boot camps: market cipher and time frames, market structure, order blocks and liquidity, and key zones and building the narrative. Okay, I have 4 boot camps. Each one of those are 3 hours, over 3 hours long, and they teach you how exactly I find my nose, how exactly I find my zones. So it is a it's mutually beneficial for you to hit the like button, because you might win a giveaway. So do me a solid. All right. Why do we come down? Guys, it's important to understand the market moves for 3 reasons. Number 1, to build liquidity, which is AKA a range. Number 2, to attack liquidity, which is what we are doing right now. And number 3, to rebalance an imbalance, okay? Whenever you have a fast move to the upside, you usually have a fast move to the downside, right? They say fast move is the false move, also indicated by our vector candles. Look at what we got over here. We have an imbalance, right? So whenever we decide to range, wherever we range, which we're probably going to range here, we should be trading towards these vector candles because they are imbalances, and one of the 3 reasons why the market moves. Why did it move in this case? Very simple, guys. We had liquidity being built up beneath these lows. Okay, now remember, I thought we were going to come to the all-time high, and then I thought structure was going to look like this. Once we hit the all-time high, we get our SFP, and then we come and rinse all of this. Unfortunately, they decided to rinse it before taking the all-time high. However, this kind of builds my narrative, or builds my idea, builds confluence with the idea that we actually might now come and take the all-time high. Yes, we came and swept the liquidity. Maybe they didn't have enough gas to come up to the all-time high from the liquidity that was engineered here. Perhaps they tried to, right? We were trading this range here, and so they needed to make a run for liquidity, right? We always say to follow the money, and there were green vector candles here, so you can't really be surprised that we came down here. However, I didn't expect this to come down I did not expect us to come this far down, but I'm not surprised, okay? I'm not surprised. I didn't expect it, but I can't say, oh, what the hell's going on, right? So it was simply a liquidity grab, okay? That's all this move was, is to grab the stop losses that were under here, the stop losses that were under here. And as of now, I would be kind of shocked if they don't come for the stop losses that are under here. They don't have to, because they already swept the liquidity, but that's all that this was. And whenever we range, like I said, we should be aiming towards these vector candles now, because we know that market makers reside in this candle. Okay, why did this happen? We needed the liquidity, but this actually builds the confluence that we're gonna actually come and take the high. And remember, I was talking about this all-time high. We've been talking about it for a couple weeks now, and I've been talking about either getting that SFP and then that large move to the downside, or actually breaking it and then ranging above it. This move right now is leaving me to believe that we actually are probably going to break it the next time we make it up here. And then we are going to potentially range above it, where we get our manipulated zone to then rip it to the downside. But we don't know what's going to happen yet 100% until the price action develops. Okay, so what should we be looking for right now? Well, you should never be looking to catch the knife. Okay, because you can get absolutely wrecked. And like I said, I got stopped out like 3 times today trying to catch the knife because I was revenge trading. I was being stupid because I took that big loss on those limit orders that I unfortunately had while I placed doing the lesson. Fine, whatever. What do we do now? Well, right now, all we got to do is understand where we are in the macro range of it, which we are in the lower half of it now. So we should be prioritizing the longs, not the shorts. But whenever we have a range develop, we're just going to trade the range because that's what we do here, right? That is what we do. We just trade the range. So we know that we're in our zone. We know that this zone has now been mitigated. So we're going to change this box to mitigated. Okay, what is this blue line? I don't even know what this blue line is. Oh, this blue line is just an SFP. Okay, we know that we can come and take this SFP, so we can look for trades down here. But we should just be waiting for the range to form. And my favorite type of ranges to trade are young ranges. Like this is about to be a very young range, right? I can do this on the 3-minute time frame, on the 2-minute time frame. This is a very young range. So what do? We pull our range tool from the bottom to the top. And we are going to just trade this range. Okay, we're going to see as it develops, and we are going to look to trade the range, understanding that we are in the lower third. If this range decides to continue to break down, or we SFP this low and then come back in, fine. We're just going to trade it like that with our higher targets. Chat! Mark Dutch. Shout out to Mark Dutch, says he is not naked. Gio, will Avo fall down more? I'll tell you this, man. Dominance is dominance is up, guys. Dominance is up. So whatever Bitcoin does, your alts are going to follow. No question about it. Whatever your alts do, Bitcoin is going to follow. So you don't even need to watch your alts. Just watch Bitcoin at this point. Shouts out to Luke, says took the short from the top of the recovery of the green vector candles. Man, that's beautiful. I didn't take it because I wanted to sweep that high, man. I was waiting for that high, and it sucks too because my take profit was at the high. So this was a good lesson to me that I should be TPing a little bit earlier than I did. Maybe it took it on a different exchange, but on Bybit it did not. And so I actually, like I said, I didn't expect this move, especially not to be as big as it did. Especially not as big as it did. We have a CME gap at around 63.9. Man, that would be crazy pain, dude. Crazy pain. Shout out to Josh, says, yes, Jets, and I've lost a lot, but I also made a lot in the middle and lost it all again. He started at 4 digits. Total loss is almost 5 digits. I'm sorry to hear, bro. That sucks. I lost unrealized people too today. Don't worry about it. Yeah, man. Guys, we're going to like, look, if you lose, man, upwards and onwards, guys. You move on to the next trade and understand what you did wrong. You know, build the narrative on your own. Don't have myself or anyone else tell you what went wrong or what went right. You can build the narrative on your own and, you know, learn. That's how you're going to learn, essentially. That's basically how you're going to learn. So it is very unfortunate. I'm very sorry for everyone that lost today. I lost today too, and I'm unfortunately not even short. So I'm not going to sit here and say I catch every single move because I didn't catch this one. But nonetheless, upwards and onwards, my friends. We keep on keeping on. All right, Clay the Great says, yo, Gio, Keeper from Crypto Wars should be reaching out to you to talk about doing live trading on Trading Wars. I'm down, man. I'm down. I don't know if you have a connect with them, but yeah, have them hit me up, and I'm super down for it. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to go grab a drink. Do me a solid. Hit the like button because every 100 likes, I do a giveaway. And also, it is Rock Friday today, guys, so we're going to be turning up a little bit later. Smash the like button for me while I continue to build the narrative and ask some questions for me. We can go over different altcoins and, you know, what should we be expecting, what should we buying, where could we be buying, etc. So give me 1 sec. I'll be back in 1 minute.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky?
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now. Guys, let me know if you thought this move was gonna happen. And if you do, I call cap, because there is no shot that y'all thought this was gonna happen. Unless you were actually sitting and scalping it. Night sky. Buy crypto, they said. Hey, man, I've been screaming since 38K that this shit is overextended. Since 38. We were overextended at 38, man. Kept your losses small. That's it, man. That's the way to go, bro. That is absolutely the way to go. Robert Jones says, told you. Yo, you did, bro. You did. You did. You know, sometimes you just gotta zoom out, man. Sometimes you gotta zoom out. But I also did not think it was going to be like this. I did not. Truly, I did not. Yeah, I didn't know, man. I didn't know it was going to come this way. All right. BBWP, I don't know who that is, but said it was going down, but not like this. Yeah, I don't think anybody knew that it was going to go this low. Like, look, you could have, look, you know, traded the range, seen money coming out, seen the divergences, fine. Okay, I'm not going to sit here and say that there weren't signs. I just thought we were going to take the high, but we didn't. Fine, whatever. But, I mean, yo, like, I don't think anyone, you can't know that it's going to fall this hard, right? You can't know that it's going to fall this hard. Man, I saw some shit on the 1 hour and shorted last night. I unfortunately closed it too early. Yeah, bro. Listen, a win is a win, man. Just don't be happy that you didn't blow your account. Some people blew their account today. Arrow Trader says, haircut looking sharp. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Are you always expecting a young range after a big move like this, or would you ever expect a quick bounce? No, you're after a move like this, you're expecting a range. We're waiting for a range. You're not gonna just come up right away here. No way. No shot. You might do this and then range here, right? You don't have to range on the low of it. But right now, I'll tell you what I see right now, okay? So if we're zooming out, right, we know that we have this low. At this point, technically speaking, we don't need to take this low, okay? This is the swing long that I had opened when I was like going to Miami like 3 weeks ago. But technically speaking, we don't need to take this low because this low already swept these lows, okay? We don't need to take this low. However, at this point, we're so close to the low, I wouldn't be surprised if we did, okay? And so right now, we're just going to follow our range, right? And look how we just took the high on our range right now. So we're going to just move the range up, right? We're just following the range, and we're not going to try to catch any knives. And if we keep going higher, we're just going to identify the range and trade the range, okay? And then now, because this SFP level is so close to the range, we should be essentially be watching for an accumulation, right? So what do we know about ranges, guys? What do we know about ranges? Whenever you have a range, you will... By the way, this is not a confirmed range yet. But whenever you have a range, you will deviate the high, deviate the low, and then the range will expand, okay? Now, the term young range is a term that I created. As far as I know, I've never heard anyone else say young range. But what I mean by young range is like this is a 2 minute, like it's definitely not a 30-minute range, right? There's nothing to work with here. This is a 1 minute range. It's a young range. We haven't been here for very long. Okay, so it's a young range. That we know, fine, cool. And we're just going to be trading the range as we do. And why did that look way different? Oh, yeah, because I extended it. Okay. There we go, okay? So we're just trading our range right now. And right now, because we're here, and we know that you're going to go from the range high to the range low, range total low to the range high. And we have this low here. we're also going to be waiting for an accumulation model, okay? So if this is going to be our top 1, which it's way too early to know, but if this is going to be our top 1, perhaps we range, get our top 2, range, get our top 3 to sweep this low, inducing everyone to think, hey, we're good, we're going to put our stop under here, or whatever, and then run it up. Because remember, we're very close to a macro SFP level. That might be a scenario, right? So we're going to see. We're going to not catch any knives. We're going to wait to see a range develop. And hey, if we just pump mad from here, then cool. No problem. We pump mad from here, but we're going to wait for the next range to form because that's how we trade, okay? We're not going to be stupid about it. But are we going to be back up at 70K today? No, we're not. I don't think so anyway. I definitely do not think so. Definitely do not. All right. Is there a buying opportunity right now? Honestly, listen, Sheldon, I'm not going to tell you yes. I'm not going to tell you no. Okay. I'll give you my opinion. I'll give you my perspective and you do as you do. By the way, thank you, Matt, for the reminder. I forgot to do it. Disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real and the earth is flat. So guys, make sure 100% and without a doubt, you don't listen to one word that I say. I mean, I'm 5'3". You'd have to be an absolute cuckoo in the head. You gotta be a little bit crazy to listen to somebody that's 5'2" and 3/4. So you definitely don't want to be doing that. Okay, but I'm going to tell you what, listen. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to tell you, okay? You do whatever you want. I'm going to tell you. People will tell you this is an amazing opportunity, okay? People will tell you this is an amazing opportunity. I believe the market is eternally overextended. I think the market is so freaking overextended. And so if you decide that you want to buy and hold for the entire bull market, my opinion is no. Okay, my opinion on that is no. And the reason for that is because whether we end up touching the all-time high again or range above the all-time high again or whatever happens at the all-time high, if we even get there, I think that we're going to have a significant pullback on the higher term timeframes on Bitcoin prior to any macro moon cycle or anything like that. Personally, okay? I talked about this divergence. By the way, I am the very first person, this I can guarantee you, I am the very first person to talk about the weekly bearish divergence. And by the way, guys, this is a weekly spike wave. Just saying, okay? So I'm in the belief that we are going so much freaking lower, okay? So much lower. I think the halving, look, we broke the cycle, okay? The cycle's been broken. Everyone is talking super cycle because the cycle's been broken. I'm like, you idiots. No, the cycle being broken is not a good thing because we knew historically the cycle was bullish, but what if now it's not gonna be? What if we have a super cycle to the downside? Like, what if this is just a way overextended dead cat bounce? We never had our dead cat bounce. What if the ETF and everything else was like, man, anyways. So my opinion in the long term, I mean, do your TA, do your analysis. I think everything is going to go way down, man. I think everyone's crazy, personally. So, is it a good... Whoa. Is it a good buying opportunity? Look, objectively, like, for example, let's take Cardano. Or it doesn't have to be Cardano, anything. The entire market is down, let's just say 20%, okay? 15% on average. The entire market is down. Is that a good buying opportunity? I mean, it's better than buying it 15% higher than it was, right? Than it is now. So relative to yesterday, it is. But, you know, are you going to buy it here and then sell it in a couple days when it's up 5%? Sure. You got to trade it if you're going to do that. But in general, should you be buying now for the entire bull market? Personally, my opinion is no. Because Bitcoin hasn't even seen a retracement yet. Look, I'm going to come on a clean chart. Bitcoin hasn't even seen a retracement yet on the weekly time frame. Hasn't even seen it, man. We don't even have a pullback yet. There is zero pullback here. You're going to buy alts while dominance is up and we haven't even had our pullback yet. But these other guys don't tell you that. I'm the only one that tells you that. Everybody else is saying super cycle, super cycle. And I don't believe super cycle, super cycle. I think, yo, we're going to get rinsed. I'm the only one out here that's talking about potentially making new lows on the altcoins. Guys, people forget what happened. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe it's just me. And maybe I'm wrong. Like, I've been wrong in the past. But, like, I have a lot of cash ready to, like, load into the market that I'm not putting in now. Because we have zero pullbacks on Bitcoin. And let's just say everything goes up 100% from here. And then it comes back. Okay, let's say it comes up 100% and then it pulls back. And you end up buying higher than where we're at now. Fine. Right? As long as you make money, fine. But am I gonna buy? Or should you buy? I mean, my opinion. Should you buy when we don't even have a weekly pullback? Look at what can happen. Guys, we haven't even started. Nothing has even started. We're still ranging. Look at what's possible. You're forgetting what's possible? 55% move to the downside? What happens to your altcoins when that happens? 60% move to the downside? 60% move to the downside? Doge is an exception. 50% move to the downside? XRP is an exception. %72% move to the downside in the middle of a bull market. 72% move to the downside in the middle of a bull market. I am the only one that's talking about altcoins potentially making new lows. Everybody is out of their mind. But I'm still going to trade it. Like, I'm going to trade up and down. So for the haters that come back and watch later and say, oh, this, that, most flip-flop trader. Dumbass. 75% move to the downside, bro. Y'all are forgetting? Like, you forget that you worked hard for this money? Y'all worked hard for your money. So that's my answer. All your longs got liquidated. I'm sorry, bro. Sucks to long into the weekend. I mean, this is kind of weekend price action right now, so we might get it back next week. This dump was bigger than 5'2". Yeah, this dump was 10 feet tall. Gio, don't get bearish at the lows. No, dude, listen. I want to just be very, like, let me be transparent because I think a lot of people, I think, Gio, please don't get bearish. We're not any higher. Listen. I want to be very clear about what I'm, like, I don't want to be misinterpreted right here, okay? I'm not bearish at the low of the range. I'm not, okay? Listen, I still stand by we're going to see a new all-time high. Okay, I made a video talking about us coming to the all-time high, and we're just trading the range. I'm just speaking on the macro of it, okay? I said, I believe one of two things are going to happen. Either we're going to SFP the high, the all-time high, which is unfortunate that we're getting this pullback now, because I wanted to get this pullback after we took the all-time high. I was expecting us to take the all-time high, and then we have our giga dump. So that, or we range above the all-time high, which would also be bearish. If we touch the all-time high, the only scenario that is not bearish is if we, like, strongly break out. Let's say we strongly break like 80K. Then that's not bearish. But aside from that, if we start to range here, that's bearish. If we SFP it, that's obviously bearish. And so I'm not bearish. Like, I'm not saying I'm man, I'm going to trade every single range. I'm going to sit here and tell you guys, yo, we're way overextended. And then tomorrow I'm going to be in 100x long. Like, I'm not just keeping my mind on one thing, but let's be objective. Objectively, someone's asking, is it a good buying opportunity? As in not longing, like not trading. Is it a good buying opportunity? In my opinion, no. Like, maybe the alts, if you buy right now, if you buy Cardano at 48 and you want to sell it at 80, fine, go ahead. You know, buy it at 80. or buy it now and sell it at 80. But the question is, are you going to sell it at 80? Right? And you know what? Maybe this is the bear market low, or the low of the alts. But I know that the alts can make a new low. So I was just answering the question. But no, I'm absolutely not bearish at the low of the range. No shot. No way in hell. But I'm also realistic. Like the weekly, look at the weekly, bro. Like we have 0 pullbacks. We've had 0 retracements. Your daily low, guys, I can't even you can't even make this up, man. The daily low on Bitcoin is all the way at 38K. $38,000 is your daily low. If you're doing daily structure, this is literally your daily structure. That is it. That means that price is allowed to come all the way down to 38K while still remaining bullish on the daily time frame. If that sentence alone does not scare you, I'm going to say that again. Price is allowed to come all the way down to $38,000 while still remaining bullish on the daily time frame. If that sentence does not terrify you alone, I don't know what to tell you. That's all I'm saying. I'm going to trade every range, man. I don't care. I don't care. If price goes up or down, I don't care. And by the way, let me just add this. By the way, for people that ever feel FOMO, and I'm not coming at you if you're feeling FOMO right now, for the downside or the upside, but as a trader, you never feel FOMO, okay? If you actually know how to trade, you don't feel FOMO because it doesn't matter. I don't care. If Bitcoin goes up to 100,000, congratulations. I hope you guys take profits. I don't care. Yes, I have some spot Bitcoin. Do I have enough spot Bitcoin that it's going to change my life if it goes to 100K? No, I don't. Do I make way more money trading than I do on my spot positions? Absolutely. So, like, man, there's no FOMO. Like, you can leverage. Dude, the most, like, okay, Bitcoin right now is at 66K. Let's assume it's going to go to 120K. You're going to be up 100%. Dude, we're up 100% in like 3 minutes when we're scalping. Why am I going to trip over 100%? Like, that doesn't mean anything to me. $30K is still possible. It absolutely is still possible. That's the only thing. I'm not saying that it's going to go to 0. You have no idea about crypto market? Okay, bro. Why are you listening to me then? I don't see Bitcoin going too low. We'll see, man. Sold to hell, maybe. We will see. Any thoughts on hedge funds dumping BTC at certain prices to balance their portfolios? Man, I don't know. I don't know. I saved your bags unloaded before the dump. No worries, bro. Doge update. Guys, your alts are going to just follow Bitcoin. That's it. Doge had a nice liquidity grab right over here. Right? We swept some decent lows. Did we come and hit an order block? No, we front ran. We front ran a 12-hour order block. So we're going to just trade the range on Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin decides to dump, then, you know, Doggy Coin will make a new low. And we'll be looking for longs down here. Sky is long AF. Let's get it, baby. I hope it goes up then. CT says, smash the likes. Calm down, Capo. You know what's funny? Listen, I'm going to tell you guys something. So everybody in crypto, literally everybody in crypto, like, knows everything about everyone and whatever. I don't know anything. I know the name, Capo. I don't know who the guy is. I have no idea what his, like, I know everyone has, like, this opinion of him, but I don't even know what his opinion is. Like, whether he's bullish or bearish, or I literally have no idea. So this comment is funny because I have no idea what it even means. Hey, Joe, do I think Bitcoin can go down to 64.5 today or over the weekend? Man, Bitcoin can do whatever it wants to do. Absolutely, it can. Look at how, like, okay, if Bitcoin was at 71 and it came down to 64, I mean, we already did, right? You're at, what are you asking about? 64.5? Yeah, like, we already did. We came 64.8. Why can't we go a little bit lower? We definitely can. 50K is not the daily low. No, it's not. I mean, listen, I made a video about this too. You could see it in two different ways, right? But like, this is just a range. So would we consider this, like, I have a video where either this, like, it's subjective, okay? This could be your daily low, or we skip this range entirely. Either way, it doesn't change what I'm saying. Either way, fine, Bitcoin can come down to 50. And by the way, I'm not saying it's going to come to 30K right away. And I'm not even saying it's going to come to 30K. But I'm aware that it can. Okay? And if we break down this range, which is possible, then I absolutely expect to find some kind of, like, range down here. I'm not saying it's just going to go to 0. Not at all. But we need to be objective. Okay? We can't be stupid. We can't be delusional. You know who's delusional? The people that vote for Biden are delusional. Liberals are delusional. We're not doing that. Not here. So we're gonna say it can go up and it can go down. If it goes up, cool. If it goes down, cool. We're gonna trade it either way. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. Doesn't matter to me. So capo, not capo. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I don't even know what that dude stands for. I have no idea. As long as you have a trading plan, you are fine. Yeah. Let's go 38K. Man, I would love 38K. I'm telling you that. What is the best price to buy Matic? When at whatever price you buy, and then it goes up after. AJ says, I was here last bull cycle, and this reminds me of the first major dump after the top market of them. No, I'll tell you this, bro. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Just come on even the monthly time frame. Look at this, man. This is a dump, or weekly. Let's come on the weekly. Let's remove this. This is a dump. This is a pullback. See the pullback? This is, guys, we haven't even started. Haven't even begun yet. So, and remember, I'm the one that's been saying new all-time high. Right? I'm the one that's been saying new all-time high. So if the daily time frame, we have thick money flow. Remember, the number one rule on Market Cipher, which, by the way, big shout out to the sponsor of the channel. The number one rule on Market Cipher is the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Up here, we do not have divergences, which is why I was expecting to come and take the high. We still can, but, you know, we're expecting to come and take the high. Okay, so the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Now, what happens on the daily time frame if we get something like this, right? We know that we have to be trading towards the vector candles within the range, okay? We know that right now on the 4-hour time frame, we have green money flow, and we have these red vectors, which are seemingly out of nowhere, which means whenever we range here, we should be trading towards these vector candles, which lines up with the idea that the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences here on the daily time frame. Now, when we touch the high, I'm expecting either an SFP and then a flush of liquidity, or to range above the all-time high for the bearish scenarios. The only bullish scenarios if we just continue to blast through and then potentially range between like 79 and like 82. If we break like 80, 79, then I will be more bullish. But it depends. You can't say, oh, Gio said this. Man, I have the same data that you have, and it depends. If we range right above the all-time high, it's bearish. If we SFP the all-time high, it's bearish. If we break out to 80, then it's bullish. And it depends on what happens. I can't tell you what's going to happen because I don't know. Okay, but we know the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, and we know that we can come and take the highs again one more time because these are ugly highs. But objectively, this is not this, because look at what we got here. Maybe the start of it, sure, but we haven't even started yet. We haven't even started. And you know what the funniest thing about everything is? Okay, so I get a lot of hate because I'm the only one apparently in crypto that lives in reality, okay? I get a lot of hate. And the funniest thing is that if you're super bullish, you should be wanting it to go down. Like, you shouldn't even be slandering the people that talk like I do and live in reality and say, okay, we can come lower. Because look, like, why wouldn't you want to just sell here and then buy it back? I'm gonna hit you guys with a sentence that I guarantee you nobody has ever said. Maybe they have, but I don't know. I've never heard it. Okay, listen. On the way up, we make money. Okay, on the way up, we make money. But on the way down, we make crypto. And then on the way down, when you're making crypto, you make that crypto makes you money on the way up. So you really make money when price dumps, not when price pumps. Right? Because if you sell the top then you could buy it for like double the amount. Let's just say it goes down 50%. You could buy back 2 Bitcoin instead of the one that you had. And then that runs up. But people are delusional, man. I don't know what to tell you. Man, Gio, I seriously hope it hits 38K so I can say I told you. Yeah. Yeah, then we have the smart asses that are like, oh, you've been bearish since 38K. Switch to the monthly market Cipher. Monthly on the market Cipher. I mean, I really hope we get one more high. This doesn't look like a high. And by the way, that too. Like, I've been publicly saying, I made a video about it like literally 2 days ago. This does not look like a high to me. Okay? Not at all. We had an opportunity for this to look like a high. 100% we had an opportunity for it, but we never flushed it. Remember, look, this is what a high is. Nice liquidity grab and then flush down. Here we had liquidity grab, flush down, and then bought right back up. Why did it get bought right back up? Because of the news. Because of the ETF BS. And then now because of the halving. Right? But should like, let's be objective, man. I don't know what else to tell you. I got my peaches out, but we definitely shouldn't be shorting here. No way. No way. Greetings from Argentina. Love the shorts and longs. Leave the market move wherever you want. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up, Argentina? Greetings from Toronto, Canada. How you doing? Do I put my training profits into BTC or just spend them, if you don't mind me asking? Depends on what's going on. Depends on what's going on. I'm like not a big like hodler. You know, I'm more of a trader. The most crypto I have is USDT. Literally my biggest bag is USDT. I just trade, man. I don't look, at the end of the day, don't get me wrong, I have holdings. I'm not gonna sit here and say that I don't. But like, am I buying Bitcoin and am I buying Bitcoin on spot? Am I buying it, not longing it? Am I buying Bitcoin anywhere up here? Hell no. Hell no. And if it continues to 100,000 million from here, then congratulations to everybody that has Bitcoin. I hope you take profits. Like, but if it doesn't, I don't care. It doesn't matter to me because I'm a trader. I'm in, I'm out. Doesn't matter. I make more money trading than I ever would holding. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Bro, I had some long time leverage positions open with a stop loss. You got liquidated. Oh, it didn't work? Dude, that sucks. What exchange was it on? Save your cookies for the right time to buy milk. You were targeting 68K. Yeah, man, listen, I thought, look, even this, like, I had no idea we were going to come this low. I told you, I had a bunch of zones, right? We had a long zone. I mean, this is going to be brief right now, but I had a long zone like somewhere down here. I had a long zone here. And the thing about trading, which is what I tell you guys literally all the time, is unless we see the confirmations, unless we see the market structure flips, unless we see what we want to see, we're not entering. Unless we see what we want to see on Market Cipher, we're not entering. And while we came into these zones, look at how thick the red money flow is. Why on earth would you have tried to long anywhere here? And if you're unsure, because people are like, oh man, this could be the low, but I'm not really sure. Well, think about the hard-earned money that you, like, you know, you just got rinsed on if you didn't, right? Now, I'm not short, but again, I don't feel the FOMO because it doesn't matter. It does not matter. You know what I'm saying? I believe it's a healthy pullback. Dude, listen, it would be so healthy for Bitcoin to dump. Super healthy. Don't watch the losers. Part of the macro range. 2-hour asymmetric triangle. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. If you've been around the channel, then you know. Shout out to Randy, who still, for whatever reason, does not have her picture here. I don't know why. My OBS doesn't like Randy's face. Guys, I had not last stream, but 2 streams ago, I think. I interviewed Miss Randy Hipper, and I didn't actually expect to interview her. I didn't think that any of that was going to happen. I didn't know that was going to happen until 2 minutes before I even went live. So go in and let me know if I did a good job interviewing, because none of that was prepared. Literally 0 of it. Wait, never mind. We just short the market on this channel. No, we long it and we short it. But I told you I'm actually not even short right now, which sucks. It's like the only time I'm not short and this happens. Hey, objectively, halving has always significantly increased in 6 to 10 months. Do I think this cycle will be the same? Sheldon, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to tell you guys every single time. I don't know. I'm not a mind reader. I don't know. But what I will tell you facts, okay? Fact, historically, The halving increases Bitcoin from 6 to 10 months historically. However, this cycle has now been broken. Okay? So everything that is historical about Bitcoin is out the door. Everything. And the problem is that the perma bulls are thinking, oh yeah, super cycle this, super cycle that, the halving this, but they're not remembering that, okay, we took an all-time high and it's super bullish, whatever, but that means that all historic data is out the door. All historic data is. Every single bit of historic data is out the door. Is it going to be bullish? I have no idea. Is it going to be bearish? I have no idea. Is the chart bullish in the macro right now? Absolutely it is. Because like I said, we can come down all the way down to 38K, or if you want to be a little bit more conservative, to 50K on the daily time frame while still remaining bullish, right? On the daily time frame. So objectively, things are looking up. Objectively, we are still trending higher, okay? Objectively, we're still in this range, but objectively, historically, that it's not a good thing. And I'm the only one that says us breaking the high it was a horrible thing for Bitcoin. Horrible. Yeah, the inflows. Shout out to Chris. The inflows, guys. This time is different. No, it is not different. It is never different. It's never going to be different. The game is around money. Never will it be different. Never. I'm 100% in a short on Floki thanks to Vector Candles. Let's go, baby! Shout out to One Hotel Beach. I want to come to that hotel. Sounds fun. I know my last comment was about 38K forever ago, but whatever happens, I'm here for it. I'm a realist, and you keep it real. Man, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, I don't care if it goes to 38K. I don't care. I don't care if it goes to 38K. I don't care if it goes to 690,000 like Randy thinks it's going to 600. I don't care. It doesn't matter. I don't care. I'm going to trade it either way. But I'm not going to sit here and say up only, up only. Like, that's ridiculous. It's not up only. Nothing is different. I don't care about the inflows. I don't care about the ETFs. And people have come and said, don't you think that the institutions are going to protect their investors because the ETFs went live and these guys are going to whatever? No. When have the institutions ever cared about your money? When has the government ever cared about your money? You're getting rinsed left, right, and center on taxes. You think, and then on any of the gains that you have, you get taxed capital gains. You guys think they care about your, oh, but they launched the ETFs at 50K and they want to protect their investors? Hell no, man. It's the exact opposite. That should make you more bearish. I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's me. You made 47K on this short. Damn, bro. Congratulations, man. That's amazing. Go on vacation, man. Enjoy it and have a shot for me, bro. I hope I helped contribute to that. That's amazing. I love to hear that. Randy says it was pure zest. I'm way behind on these. I'm so behind. Oh my goodness, on these comments here. That was a good interview. Entertaining for sure. I didn't even plan it, man. I didn't even plan it. What's my favorite time frame for trading and how long do I spend in front of the charts each day? Good question, Andrew. It varies. My favorite time frame to trade. Lately, the time frames that I like to look at, I like the daily, the 4 hour, the 15, and the 5. But really, my favorite time frame to trade is whatever time frame makes the most sense for the range that we're in. Okay, so I've talked about this before. Right now, look at this. So right now we are forming a very baby range. Okay, we're in a baby range. We're in a young range, very young range, right? Actually, it's not even a confirmed range yet, but we have a young range going on right here. Okay, if we do this for the next year, literally the next year, just go sideways, 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 then my favorite time frame will be the 12 hour because, or the daily, because this will be our range on the daily. So I just trade whatever time frame makes the most sense for whatever range that we're in. Tio longs the market equals short signal. Yeah, that was crazy. That was crazy. I'm good, but I'm not short. That sucks. I wanted one more high. I'm so mad. So mad. I'm so mad. I see a Patrick Star fish hand pattern on the 15-minute. Yeah. I miss Geo on his shorting villain arc. Don't worry, the arc is coming because you guys think, man, listen, you don't even, we haven't even started. Wait for us to actually dump. This isn't even anything. We haven't even begun. Look at the weekly time frame. We're still just in a range. If we take the high again, it is the most bearish thing. I'm telling you, look, I've been screaming on Twitter, if they give you an all-time high, look, the truth about the all-time high, not good. I've been screaming on Twitter, guys, if they give you another all-time high, another one. Remember, they gave you 500 million. That's not even exaggerating. They gave you 500 million all-time highs in like 1 week. And if you're not going to take profits at the all-time highs, I don't know when you're going to take profits. Like, nothing is going to be enough for you, right? Randy's 690K is not going to be enough for you. If you're not going to take profits at the all-time high. Anyway, I'm like, if we take the all-time, and I tweeted it. Guys, if they give you the all-time high again, like, you're so lucky that they're giving it to you again. Dude, take fucking profits this time. Gio's the only guy that is saying he understands the game. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Great random interview. I actually thought Randy Hipper, we finally had someone that could talk as fast as Gio. Does she talk fast? Randy, do you talk fast? I don't even remember. Bella Ciao. Should we get a song? Guys, actually, listen. Actually, I'm not even gonna tell you to do it. I'm not even gonna tell you guys to do it. Randy, do me a solid right now. Can you tell the chat to hit the like button so that we could do a giveaway, so that we could get a song going? Guys, we have 220 people in here right now. We only have 96 likes, which means half of you either don't like my face, don't like my haircut, don't like my voice, don't like my height, or don't like the flavor that I'm bringing you. Which, okay, the flavor, I mean, if you're a perma bull or you're a holder, I get it. You might not like me, but I live in reality. Okay, so you need me to sing ASAP. Okay, so then hit the like button for me. You know, maybe you don't have arms or you know, a nose to press on your phone, but if we can get 100 likes, then we can do the giveaway, and we're only 4 likes away. So actually, hello, Miss doesn't even have a face on my stream. I actually said please. I said, can you please do me a solid? Bro, I need to hear me sing again. Don't forget about Tino. Tino's a G, man. Yo, you want me to go party animal again? All right, let's go party animal again. Let's do it. In the meantime. In the meanwhile, let's get my voice going. Shawty get a bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you a party animal. All right, check this. Hold on. Girl, you a party. I gotta get off my treadmill though. I'm gonna pause the treadmill. Let us pause the treadmill. All right, guys, let's go. Yay! Guys, can we get party emojis in the chat right now? Let's get party emojis in the chat, and then we'll do Queen. Hey, guys, this is, by the way, it is Rock Fridays right now. I want to see the party in the chat right now. Let's go. Wind up on me. Hey, hey, hey. Party emojis, party emojis, party emojis. Let me get my shades on. Let me get my lyrics up. Bubble, 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 bubbling. Oh, do I? Where's my lyrics? Wind up on me, party girl. Why you so emotional? Hold on, I don't know where my lyrics went. 1 second, we're gonna restart this. Yeah, you are party animal, yeah. Bubble, 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 bubbling, baby. Yeah, you are party animal. All right, ready? Come on now, let's go. Girl, wind up on me, party girl. Wine like it's a carnival. Girl, you love the way that you wine for me. Girl, your wine is so emotional. Wine up on me, body girl. Me na when your waistline for me. Show me when it bubble, bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Hey, guys, let me see the party emoji. I'm gonna bring the chat on the screen. Bubbling, baby. Yeah, you a party animal. You wine so good, you look so good, yeah. She took 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. After 9 minutes, and she come for more. She take it, she do, she dance the dance floor. She start to rock like a soul. Then she approach you just like a cure. She knows she like me, tonight she a go. She's sexy, she beautiful. Alright, we're gonna switch it up, ready? Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, you should let me bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you a party animal. Hey, hey. Girl, you a party animal. You look so good, you wine so good, yeah. She took 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. After 9 minutes, and she come for more. She's sexy, she's beautiful, and she's so She's sexy, she's beautiful, and she, oh, na 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 na, yeah, yeah. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you. No, no. Baby, you should let me love you. Oh, you gonna take me home tonight? Oh, down beside that red firelight. Oh, you gonna let it all hang? Fat bottom girls, you make the rockin' world go round. I was just a skin. Should we go one more? Guys, hit the like button for me because number one, I'm the most entertaining crypto YouTuber. Don't call me a YouTuber. I will block you. You're banned. Don't call me a YouTuber. But hit the like button for me so we can do another. If you guys want another one, give me another one. And then we'll talk about what Bitcoin is doing. I mean, there's nothing really. We're just going to follow the range, okay? We're going to just follow the butterflies. This is the best comment ever. You don't need the lyrics. You sing all the wrong words. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, you should let me love you. Bubble, 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 bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Oh, man. Guys, thank you. Man, I tell you guys this every day. Thank you for putting up with my shit. Like, I don't even know why y'all are... I don't even know. By the way, guys, welcome to all the new people that are here, man. And Jack, welcome. I gotta bet. Yo, mods, ban this guy, G-Fly. Don't call me a YouTuber. Where are we commenting? How many likes are we at? Let's take a look. Bubble, 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 bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. All right. All right, man. We're going to keep the echo on. Hold me close and hold me fast. The magic spell we lost. This is la vie en... Oh, look at that. Speak of the devil. Okay, guys, this is what we're going to do. Wait, did we already comment on this one? No, we did not. Okay, guys, I'm going to post this in the chat right now, all right? You're all going to go hit the like button on that video. And you're going to drop a comment, okay? I don't care what the comment says, but it has to have, what emoji should we do? Just for the singing. Thank you, man. I am fake. Just copy Jason. Okay. Everyone go there. Hit the like button. Comment. You want Queen? I was just a skinny lad who never knew no good from bad. Banana memory. Man, of course I'm reading the lyrics, brother. Everybody go to that video. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you comment. I don't care what you comment, but okay, let's do these star emojis that Randy just thinged. Put the star emojis. Leave any comment you want. Guys, just a reminder, I'm a 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer, and I'm also fake because all I do is I copy Jason Casper, and every single step I take on this treadmill, I pay him royalties. So a big shout out to Paul Alexandru. Mr. Paul, you should be following, or you should be watching Jason because he's live right now also. I don't know why you're here, bro. Baby, you should let me love you. Let's go Queen Karaoke. One more, and then we'll talk about BTC. Which one should we go? Don't Stop Me Now again. Don't stop me now. Listen, if y'all are gonna be silent, then I'm gonna be silent too. Silent night, holy night. If you're gonna be silent, I'm gonna be silent too. Listen, y'all don't want the giveaway? Hit the like button on this video. Drop the comment. Has to have the star emoji. Don't care what you say. Gio sucks. Gio's short. Gio's ugly. Gio's fat. Gio's a copycat. Oh, that rhymed. Not a rapper. By the way, being a rapper is the second easiest job in the world. In case you didn't know, now you know. But go, man, go. If y'all are gonna be silent, I'm gonna be silent too. We're trying to do a giveaway. I'm trying to make it fun. It's Rock Fridays. Trying to we're trying to have a good time right now. But y'all are tweaking. Y'all are tweaking, cause this is Thriller night. And no one's I have a good song. We're gonna do one more and then that's it, because you guys are quiet, so I have to be quiet too. But I wanna keep having fun, even though y'all are not giving me what I want. What was the one that I wanted? It was a banger. Oh, was it this one? Yeah. Okay. All right. I got this. This one's good, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready for this one? This one's fire. I don't know how to sing it, but this one's fire. Oh, no. Singer, so no, I don't like singing, mate. And definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real, and the earth is flat. And Bitcoin is pumping. All right, let's check GRT. Born to be. Get your motor running. Head out on the highway. Okay, by the way, guys, if you're new here and you're absolutely confused, hold on, now I gotta go up. If you're new here and you're confused, I'm the most entertaining YouTube cryptover. I just said YouTube cryptover. YouTube cryptover. Oh my god, I'm one of the only people in all of crypto that actually have a personality, and I'm not a fucking weirdo. Anyways, you just if you're new here, if it's your first time, you just joined during Rock Fridays. So my shows are always this lit, but they're not always this lit because it's Rock Fridays. And also, by the way, guys, as of yesterday, big shout out to one of the members in the Discord. I apologize, I don't remember who it is, but as of yesterday, this live stream, which I do every single day, is officially called the G Spot. So imagine we're doing the intro. Ready? I'm gonna do the intro right now. Ready? What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. I'm your host, Gio. Welcome to the G Spot. Today, Bitcoin is dumping, and you see that? See how that just like flows? See how that just like literally just absolutely froze? You're not a sing trader, right? You're a scalper. Do I look at BTC.D? I do look at BTC.D. Okay, hold on. Let me just talk about Grit or Gert or whatever the hell. Gert is, by the way, the ugliest name that's ever been in existence ever. Don't ever name your daughter Gert. Made a perfect double low. Don't really like it. But I'm going to tell you this. When it comes to any of your altcoins right now, all of your alts are going to follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin continues to dump, then your alts will too. I will tell you this low took out this low, so we don't actually need to sweep this low. However, coming this close to the low, I mean, I would like to sweep it. The 6-hour money flow looks absolutely horrendous on this Gert. Could we get a bounce from here? Yeah, I mean, we could, but I would do if you're trading it, I would do the same thing that I'm doing with Bitcoin, which is finding a range, wait for your local range, and then trade that range. Basically. Gotta go, have some things to take care of. Have a happy Friday. See you later, Randy. Rock Friday, baby. Wait, Gio, you're scared. Why? What did I do? Did I learn to sing by myself? I did. Thank you very much, Jassis. I've been singing my whole life. Can't lie, I sound pretty good. Thank you. Appreciate it. G-Spot. Yes, sir! Welcome. You guys, it's your host, Gio. Welcome to the G-Spot. Today we're talking about Bitcoin absolutely getting fingered. Oh, my Gio, there are ladies present. What's wrong with you? Since you're in the oldies, do some dire straight. Yo, I love the old songs, bro. I love the old stuff. I was born too late, man. I like money for nothing. I like money for nothing. We should actually call spot buying also the G Spot. Like if someone's like, yo, this is a good time to buy, I'd be like, yeah, I would G Spot here. That's so funny, man. That is so funny. Bro, that song, Even My Bonanza Bicycle, feels like a Harley Davidson. Let's go. Yo, that's a banger, bro. Rock Fridays are gas. Anyway, BTC dominance. Yes, I do watch BTC dominance. So dominance is obviously on the rise. And what do we know about Bitcoin? Actually, we were talking about dominance. Man, look, guys, I had this video. Listen. I want everybody after here, not now. Don't go now. I want everybody. By the way, big shout out to Alex O'Crypto, who's also live. I want everybody to go back and watch this video, okay? Because I also mentioned dominance in this video. And unfortunately, actually, dominance is doing the exact same thing that I thought was going to happen, but in the wrong direction, okay? So I was like, yo, dominance is being primed right now for another divergence, right? And I was absolutely expecting a big move. But again, I wanted to come and take the high, and we were talking about it. And I said, if dominance gives us that divergence while Bitcoin pumps and gives us that large move, then, you know, we could expect if Bitcoin decides to dump at that point, your alts to absolutely bleed. Now, unfortunately, what ended up happening was Bitcoin dumped and then your alts bled also, which is what we were expecting in terms of dominance. I literally said it in that video that I posted 2 days ago, so go watch it. But unfortunately, it went the wrong. Like, I didn't think it was gonna. I'm telling you guys, very like full disclosure, I did not expect this move. Like, you know, I thought maybe we would have retraced or whatever. I did not expect to come this low, this fast, this hard. No freaking shot. Did not expect it. But yes, bro, I do look at dominance because dominance will give you a good indication as to whether or not you should be buying your altcoins, whether or not you should be selling your altcoins, whether or not you should be paying attention to your altcoins. And so right now, every single altcoin under the sun is bleeding, right? You could sit here and say, yo, you know, I'm going to chart this, I'm going to chart that. But dominance is up. So do you even need to chart these other things? You don't even need to. All you got to do is chart Bitcoin right now because dominance is up. Your alts are going to follow Bitcoin. So when you long Bitcoin, you could probably long your alts. I mean, you should obviously be checking them. But in general, yeah, I do absolutely pay attention to altcoins. It is very essential that you do that, in my opinion. It is foolish to not, especially as a scalper. On live long time. So is the G spot real? You a G spot. Do I trade options? I don't, but I want to start. The spot ETFs make money in fees. They buy and sell based on their buys and sells. So any loss or gain, they make a flat fee at a flat percentage. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't know anything about that. Literally, I have no idea. All right, guys, let's do our giveaway. Let's do our first giveaway here. How many likes do we have? We have enough, right? Oh yeah, we're chilling. Okay, we got 148 likes. So we're gonna do our giveaway here. All you have to do was hit the comment actually on that video with Randy. So let's go back. Cold, cold heart are done by you. All right, guys. Well, there's only 42 comments, so if there's ever a time to win it, because these are pretty low comments right now. So YouTube comment picker. We're gonna do our giveaway right now. So you're getting a chance right now. By the way, in case you're just tuning in, you got 30 seconds. I'm not waiting. You can win one of the 4 boot camps: market structure boot camp, key zones and building the narrative, order blocks and liquidity, market cipher B, and time frames. Okay, and all you have to do is go comment anything with a star on this video that I linked above. If you're here too late, can't help you. Sorry. But let's go ahead and do our giveaway here. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. The touchdown brings them in. Bang! The winner is... Boom! Congratulations, John Spracklin. 4087 says some pipes with the stars. Congratulations, bro. You are the winner of one of the boot camps. So here's what I need you to do, my friend. If you've been around, you know what you got to do. Head over to the Discord. The link is in the description down below. And make sure, I think I actually got to adjust the link. I might have the wrong one again. But open up a ticket in the Discord and let us know which one of the boot camps you want. So come to the video, click on your username on the top right here, and take a screenshot of this. And make sure we can see the like button is hit as well. And let us know. But congratulations, bro. You are the winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Congrats, my friend. Congratulations. I am happy for you. All right. All right. Shout out to Rehards, my boy. One of my OGs. It says the stream just keeps getting better and better. They've been great since the beginning. Thank you very much, my friend. I appreciate it. Y'all are both killing it. You're in both streams. Shouts out to David Brumbelow. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong. Why the G dump? Man, we dumped hard, bro. I don't know why we dumped this hard. Well, it was a liquidity grab, essentially. Is the dump over? I would say probably not. Probably not. Probably not. But it's a run for liquidity. Man, if the market's ever moving, I need you to literally just ask yourself, like, okay, write these 3 things down right now. These are the reasons the market moves. Either to attack liquidity, which is what we did today, to rebalance an imbalance, which is also what we did today, or to generate liquidity, okay? Which is what we range. That's why we range. We range to generate liquidity. No other reason. So when price is moving or doing whatever it's doing, you need to make sure that you need to make sure that you understand which one, like, why is price doing what it's doing. You got to understand that. And yeah, hold on, let me give you the better link here because I goofed the link. What just happened? Here, I got you. I got y'all with the link here. I got y'all. Here's the link. I gotta fix the video. My bad, man. My bad. Let me fix it. That's the Discord link. Go ahead and come and join. Come hang out. Come say hello. Come say wagwan. Call me in the end of night, yeah. Okay, so Bitcoin is just chilling. We're gonna wait to see a range form. We still got thick red money flow on the 10-minute time frame. We know the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. Now, we had divergences this whole way down. But the market said, screw your divergences. You shall not pass. So we're just going to trade the next range. We're going to understand where we are in the more macro of it, which is right over here. Right, we're still in our range. Nothing to get too spooked over, despite my intro being Thriller. But yeah. Using your one-time win. Thank you. Let's go. One-time win. One-time win. Didn't win, rigged. I'm sorry, man. Listen, we are at 155 likes. 45 more likes and we're doing another giveaway. And it's Rock Friday. So 45 more likes and we get a song. Another song also. Bum, 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 bum. Market makers buying the whole way down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good observation, David. So what's probably going to happen, what I would guesstimate is going to happen is we're probably going to range here a little bit. You know, market needs to generate more liquidity. We're probably going to range here a little bit, wherever the range may be. And then we're going to come up and target these, come up and tackle these guys here. Okay. We're going to come up and tackle these vector candles that we're leaving within the range. Doesn't mean that the low is in. I don't know if the low is in. But we're, you know, whenever you have range-based vector candles, we are to be trading towards the range-based vector candles. Simple as that. Simple as that. So we'll see what happens, right? I still think we're going to come and take the all-time high one more time because they had multiple chances to rip it down and they didn't do it. And this does not look like a high. This does not look like a high. No way. One more high and then it's going to go to literally $1. $1, Bob. You did an excellent job of pronouncing your name. Nice, I'm glad. What about FET? The merger? I got no idea, bro. I don't know anything about news. I don't know anything about crypto. I don't know anything about functionality. I know how price gets from A to B. Don't know anything else. Literally don't know anything else. All right, laser, kind of in a hard situation. Minus 20K on Phantom XRP and shorting Bitcoin. Wait, like you shorted the bottom? And are you down on like margin or are you down on spot? Target the vector candles. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Target the vector candles. Okay, while our friend here lets me know if he's on spot or if he shorted the bottom. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go pee because I crushed my Dr. Pepper here. And so, yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah, BRB. Dancing in September, dancing in September. Do you remember? It's going down. Meet me in the mall. It's going down. Meet me in the club. It's going down. Either way you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Verse number 2, do the damn thing. Let me take you dancing. It's a banger, baby. Let's go. Ba-ba-ba-da. All right, friendos. Friendos. Nar. Guys, how's my Australian accent? Nar. 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 All right, listen. So I just saw this while I was on the toilet. At the toilet. But shouts out to this dude who apparently is speaking my language. Check this out. I don't know who this is, but I was sent this. We made all-time halving for the first time, and you expect that we act like the past times after it? We need to talk, bruv. These guys are cray. Actually, we'll write these crypto kids. Bum 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 na 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 da 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 da. All right. I hope BTC goes all-time high to lose 25k, but XRP and Venom will both hit 25k profit. So please, God. Wait, why would you want to lose 25k? Your portfolio is down 27%. Yeah. A lot of people's are, my friend. That's why it's important to take profits all the time and to always be watching Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is king. What to do? Do we sell Bitcoin now? No, dude, no. I mean, it could keep going down. We already know how overextended it is. I've been saying that. Like, you know, the time to sell was the time to sell was that week where they gave you 10,000 all-time highs in 1 week. That's the time to sell. And so, again, I've been screaming on Twitter. I don't know if I'll be able to find it, but I've been screaming on Twitter. Like, yo, if they give you guys an all-time high again, you guys are so lucky. You guys are so lucky that they're even, like, keeping the price up here. You're so lucky that you're keeping the price up here. If they give you all-time high again, see if I can find that tweet. Shouts out to myself. We must escape the Matrix. True story. Anyways, my point is, okay, my point is, that's it. That's my point. You're lucky. If they give you an all-time high again, you're lucky. Joe sounds like Forrest Gump. To like the show's about to get started, because we had nothing, no vector candles here in this range, and then all of a sudden tick volume started to increase, which means, yo, like market makers are about to make a move, basically. Shouts out to the Tate crew. How's it going? I'm doing very well, man. How are you? How are you? You're shorting 50 cross BTC to cover your longs. Don't short down here, bro. Don't short down here. I'm new to crypto. Can I tell you something about Sol? Well, the whole market dropped, bro. So don't worry about Solana. But Solana is in a long zone. I'll tell you that. Tell you that. We'll tell you that. Solana has a lot of liquidity that we can grab. But it is in a long zone. This is definitely not exact. I don't know why The stop loss is all the way down here, but this is a long zone. So actually, thanks for the reminder. We're going to pay attention to Solana now. I'm going to move it higher so that I know to pay attention to it. Am I bearish? I'm not a bull and I'm not a bear. I am a human. I long and I short. 46K at least. I do agree with that. I don't necessarily agree with that at this very moment. But I do think that we're going to see very, very low prices before we have a big move to the upside. You sold 90% of your spot a few weeks ago. You are a smart man. Jason Casper, is that you? No, I think he lives in the States somewhere. I'm in Canada. Do you sell everything? I mean, I wouldn't... Look, I can't tell you guys what to do. Okay? Because not only am I a 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singer, but I'm also not a financial advisor. I can't tell you guys what to do or what not to do. I would not sell. I mean, like, look, are you talking about shorting? Are you talking about scalping? Like, are you talking about spot? G-spot holding? Like, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. The time to sell was at the time to sell was when they gave you 5,000 all-time highs in a row. And remember, I'm still expecting potentially one more all-time high. I'm still expecting it. And if they give it to you guys, listen to me this time. Take profits at the high. Take profits at the high. Hold on. Yo, Jose, bro. We're going to do this. I'm literally... Listen, if you guys don't like this song that I'm about to do, you can blame Jose. Because Jose just did this, okay? I wasn't going to do this. This is so funny, though. This is actually really funny. All right. Yo, shouts out to Jose, bro. Hold on. I had a thing. I got everything I wanted. What do I think of swing trading? Yeah, you can swing trade. I swing trade when we're in a swing trade zone. Should I stay or should I? All right, check this out, guys. Listen, I wrote a song. Okay, I wrote a song. Hold on, let me hide this for a second. I wrote... Oh, am I back? Yeah, I am back. Okay, cool. Okay, I wrote a little song. All right, and it is Rock Fridays. And I got a comment that induced this, what we're about to do. So it's not my fault if you don't like it. It's our boy's fault. You can all, gun for him, not for me. I just work here, okay? I just do what I'm told, all right? I just do what I'm told. Let's go! This is how I feel about when you guys tell me what to, like, oh, Gio, just, you know what, listen to the listening to my original song. That song was influenced by everybody that always asks me, should I long or should I short? If you didn't quite catch on to that one, my friends, that is essentially what is going on here. That's what's going on. How long have we been live for? Oh, here we go. It's a banger. Should I long or should I short now? Let me answer your question, bro. You're like, should I long or should I short? You should be dancing. That's what you should be doing. That's what you should be doing. No, man, listen. Objectively, you shouldn't be shorting here. Objectively, you don't short here. But remember, I'm a 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singer, so don't listen to me. Why do I have a feeling I'm a karaoke beast? Don't short now. Man, I don't know what to do. I need someone who's 5'2". Oh, man, I don't know what to do. I need someone who's 5'2". I have many original songs, my friends. You should be dancing, yeah. All right, guys, listen. It is, we've been on for $1:45. And, yeah, we've been on for $1:45. It's Rock Fridays. We rocked out. So I think I'm going to head. I'm going to tell you guys what to expect for the weekend. And then I'm going to biz bounce. All right? Pay attention. If you didn't pay attention to the entire stream, now's the time to pay attention. Macro. We're in a range. Local. We're not in a range yet. Whatever price does right now, we're going to follow along and we're going to trade the range that forms. Okay? Eventually, a range is going to form. It could form here. It could form higher. It could form lower. I don't know. But eventually, the range is going to form. So we are going to trade the range that forms. We are going to look to short the range high. We are going to look to long the range low. Objectively, we know that market maker liquidity is above us. Objectively, we know that we have this SFE below us. Objectively, we know we are in the discount now of our macro range. Objectively, we know that we are potentially looking at a new all-time high because we know the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. Objectively, we know that if we take the all-time high, we will be making yet another bearish divergence. And objectively, we have money flow and momentum wave divergences on the weekly time frame. And objectively, those are called spike waves, as indicated by myself. Thank you very much for asking. Did I say objectively enough? Guys, that's it for today. I will see you all on Monday, or lundi, as they say in French. I am Canadian. And shout out to my Discord people. I will keep you guys updated throughout the weekend. For everybody else that is new here, I hope you enjoyed the stream. I hope you enjoyed Rock on Fridays. Do we have any more songs? Dak, are you still in here, bro? Should I stay or should I go? It's always please, please, please tell me, where do I TP? Guys, have an amazing weekend. Listen, if you felt the FOMO, just chill out, man. Have a chill pill. If you lost some money today, I lost some money today too. So, you know, upwards and onwards. We move on from here, and that's all that we can do. So, God bless. Stay safe. Dak, do you have a request, bro? Should we get one more? How much did I lose in crypto overall? Overall, I lost like thousands, bro. Like tens of thousands. Overall, like while trying to learn. Au revoir. Bonjour. Overall, I lost a lot of money. Took me a long time to get here, man. Like, this was not an overnight thing. I stared at Market Cipher for 3 years straight. With the pimps in the cribs, ma. Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. If a nigga get an attitude, pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot.
Some Michael Jackson. You want me to hit Thriller again? Did you hear my Thriller in the intro? It's close to midnight. And something in the dark. You close your eyes and hope that this is just imagination. But all the while. Man, Michael Jackson is like so hard to sing. I'm stuck in with the man in the mirror. Rock on, baby. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna try this. Let's see. It could be a big fail. This is so high. Hey, pretty. Hey, pretty. Hey, pretty. Hey, pretty baby with the high heels on. Yeah, that's high. The way you're making me feel. You knocked me off of my feet now, girl. My lonely days. All right, guys. No, sorry, Dak. We'll do it private. I mean, that sounds weird, but we'll do it when I'm not like on YouTube. Maybe later. Maybe we'll do a karaoke session. Anyways, guys, that's it. I will see you guys next week. Trade safe. That is curtains, my friends. See you later.
Set my heart on fire.